wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient.
Hey, hola, 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 ¿cómo se encuentra toda mi gente querida apasionada por los motores? Estamos en un nuevo videoblog más acá para mi canal. Ay, dominguito, pero muy temprano, señoras y señores. Nos vamos a una pequeña rodadita, una pequeña salida con las mejores naves de Luxury y un pequeño desayuno. Entonces acá les voy a dejar tomas de la rodada y espero que les guste. Esto es solo para disfrutar. Acá en serio, así como en los últimos videos, vamos a hablar menos y vamos a mostrar más los carros. Entonces creo ver lo mejor de Luxury. Entonces, vámonos con esto.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative, I don't wanna give.
Bueno, aquí ya estamos reunidos con mi querido Club Luxury y miren las super naves que hay acá, o sea, siempre lo mejor está en Luxury. Entonces hay muy buenas máquinas acá. Super cool, en serio, super cool naves. Y ya estoy repitiendo mucho. Acá les voy a dejar unas tomas, un pequeño barridito con estas naves.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams. To fight, to die on, and this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done, but what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I'll look here, look there, but where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, and we all got dreams. And do you believe we can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it. my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a Goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. And we all got dreams, we all want things.
Bueno, acá si se dieron cuenta, acá andamos un poquito Ferrarito. Oiga, severo, este man levantó la moto bacano. Cool. Acá mi querida amiga Chantal iba despacio, ella siempre va despacio, ¿sí? Siempre. Querida amiga. ¿Cómo la ven? Acá se pasa genial, severas naves muy brutales, o sea, asquerosidad, Dios santo.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervous, saying I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking privacy. I will not work you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. Don't be looking slow when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. You say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way. Fuck what you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. My way, so you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way.
Bueno, señoras y señores, llegamos acá a un pequeño desayuno. Esas son nuestras salidas, nuestras rodadas. Se pasa súper bueno. Ya saben, venimos con el Shelby, con el de Leito, y venimos con los de Club Luxury. Venimos pasándola delicioso. No puedo hacer tomas muy bien, entonces bueno, ahí vamos. Y mire, por acá está el de Chantal, el de mi otro amigo, el de Nico. Entonces la estamos pasando bueno. Venimos acá a pegar un desayuno delicioso.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, I'm losing shit. A stupid myth, you choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. a curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody? To make you sit, listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this